Hello everyone, today you have joined the DT Creative Elk YouTube channel. How to upload a video to Google Drive and share the link. If you find this useful link, consider subscribing and liking the video. Here's the video I want to do this with. You can also do this in multiple videos as well. First of all, go and open up a web browser and come to google.com. Head to the top right and make sure sign in and then click on the Google Apps button, go down and click on Do. 5. Then what you need to do is go to the top left and click on New, and you want to go and click on New Folder. I'll just limit video and click and create, double click on it and go to the top left and click on New and click on File Upload. Now go and locate the video or videos, select them and click on Open, and they'll then go and start uploading as you can. See. Now what you can do is, if you want to go and share just one video, you can go and right click on it, hover over Share and click on Share. Or if you've got multiple and you want to share the entire folder, click on the folder name at the top, go and hover over Share and click on Share. Then what you can do is choose if you want to go and add people, groups, or calendar events. In this case, I'll make a general link, so I'll go and set the general access to anyone with the link. I'll set that to viewer, press copy link, and that's it. I hope you can understand. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.